barbed wire grass, silky heads, cochin grass, Malabar grass, oily heads. All these names belong to the name of the lemongrass, not to be confused with lemon balm. I just introduced to you all the names of lemongrass. Now what I have in my hand now is lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea does wonders if you're starting a new diet or if you're experiencing any type of changes in your health nutrition plan. Now what it does, if you need help with weight loss, this tea is going to help with water reduction as well as stimulating the metabolism. So I highly suggest that you go to your local organic grocery store and get some Teatulia Lemongrass tea. So you're going to pick up your Teatulia Lemongrass tea, you're going to incorporate it into your nutrition plan, and you're going to contact me at marcusfitpro@gmail.com, and I'm going to help you improve your fitness life and your nutrition life, and we're going to get you back on track in life. I'll talk to you later.